Orange SA Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Orange SA plans and offers can be found in the description. Orange is one of the largest telecom providers in Europe and Africa, serving over 280 million customers across multiple countries. It is known for its strong 4G and expanding 5G coverage, delivering high-speed mobile data with excellent reliability. Orange offers a variety of plans, including flexible prepaid and postpaid options, unlimited data plans, and international roaming services like the Orange Holiday SIM, which is popular among travelers. The company also provides advanced features such as VLTE, Wi-Fi calling, and eSIM support for seamless connectivity across devices. Orange is best suited for business professionals, frequent travelers, and users who need a dependable mobile network with extensive global reach. Strengths include robust network coverage, high-speed data performance, and strong customer service in key markets. Additionally, Orange invests heavily in innovation, offering digital banking and cybersecurity services alongside mobile connectivity. However, weaknesses include premium pricing on some plans, network congestion in highly populated areas, and varying customer support quality depending on the country. Despite these drawbacks, Orange remains one of the best choices for those looking for a high-quality mobile experience, especially in Europe and Africa. If you're seeking a reliable operator with excellent coverage and international capabilities, Orange SA is a solid option. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and promotions.